Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video, guys, we're going to be making, guys, I'm really excited about this one because the other day I sat down. I'm going to take these florals out of here because I want you to see the detail to this. I sat down and I went pearl by pearl on this piece here and some diamond gems all the way around this vase. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous, guys? Look at that. Look at this. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. So I decided that I wanted to make the second one with you guys. I want to show you exactly what I did. So here I did a strip of the diamonds going down. Here I kind of created some kind of design with the pearls, and it is the mixture of the pink and the white, the iridescent white. And then I did the same thing down here. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Look at that. So then I glued the two pieces together. Let me show you what both of those pieces I got at the Dollar Tree. So this is a very common vase that you can get at the Dollar Tree. I love this shape. This is a very, very nice shape for doing all kind of decor, whether it be farmhouse or even glam decor. This is a nice shaped vase, guys. So in the dish where you get your dishes, in the dish section, you have these sauce bowls. They come for $1. So this is my pedestal for the vase. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to glue these two together, and that's what we have right here. Okay, now these florals are just sitting there just so that you can see how beautiful this vase is. This is an absolutely gorgeous vase, guys. So I have my gems here, my pearls. I have my diamonds here, my gems, and then I have the vase. We're going to start off with the pedestal. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to glue some pearls and some diamonds around here. We're not going to go all the way to the top because I have to glue this vase to this. But I want to show you that part before I even start this one. So let's jump right into the video, guys. Everything I'm using to create this, guys, is down in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the video because this is one of my favorite things to do, guys. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to start out, guys, I'm going to start out with the diamonds, I think. I usually start out with the pearls, but I'm going to start out with the diamonds. And they don't have to, obviously they don't have to match exactly, because I don't really think that they're going to. And I think I put too many diamonds in here. Okay, because you just want to have enough room to move them around. I am using my pick. This pick I got it at Michael's. I do have my pick-me-up tool, guys. Look at this. I just bought my pick-me-up tool. I haven't used it because I rather use the picks until I can't use them anymore and then go ahead and start with this. But this is supposed to have a sticky part on the end and help you pick up any gem or anything that you want to pick up to make your work easier as you're gluing stuff down. So I just wanted to show that to you. I got it at Michael's and I did get this for half off. I don't know. This was probably $8.99 or $6.99, and then I had it like a 40% off coupon or 50% off. So it was a really good price. I never used it, so I'll let you know how that turns out when I get to that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure the surface is clean. So you wipe it down. So I have a paper towel here with some glass cleaner. And once you have that clean, okay, you want to come back. And I'm going to start around the bottom only because it's the bottom. And so we don't want anything to interfere with the stand of the vase. So, or to block. So I want to make sure I don't go over is what I'm trying to say. So we're going to go in a line with the gems. So we work in small sections, guys. And another thing, it doesn't matter to me with the size of the gems. So in other words, one can be bigger, one won't be. It just kind of all blends in together in the end. Okay. So I'll do a few and then I'll show you. And I do work in small sections, like I said. So let me show you what this looks like, guys. See that? So I went in a straight line. We want to make sure we don't come over that glass. Okay, so now I'm going to do a line of gems just on top of that so you can see how I do this. In small sections. And the neat thing about this craft, guys, is that you can go in any direction you want. You can create any design you want. It really depends on how much patience you have when you're working with it. But if you like working with it, you can do so many different things. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Isn't that beautiful? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish that bottom pedestal, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so look at how absolutely gorgeous this looks, guys. So I decided to do the bottom. Like if you can see here, I know that the bottom here is pearls and diamonds. Okay, but I decided to do the pedestal all in diamonds. So that's what this looks like, guys. Just to show you the different things that you can do with the gems. So now what we're gonna do, I'm not gonna glue the vase to the top of that pedestal. Look how gorgeous that looks all by itself, guys. Absolutely gorgeous, just like that. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this one aside, and then I'm gonna start working with this one. Now with this one, I'm not exactly sure of the design. I am gonna get started with you and show you. So now we're gonna start with the pearls, okay? And I brought these gems out, guys, just so you know, because these gems are slightly bigger than these. So sometimes I like to fill in with the larger gems and then go in with the smaller ones just to make sure that we get this all filled in just like you see here. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys, all by itself. I love that. I love that. So now with this one, I'm going to do this part here in the pearls. I might put a gem, a diamond or two in here, but mostly it's going to be pearls. So how I'm going to start this, I'm really not sure. I think what I want to do is work my way from the top. Usually I start from the bottom, but because we still have gluing to do, I don't want to really mess too much with that. I don't want to mess too much with this bottom part here. So I think I want to come down like this. Let's see how it comes out, guys, because sometimes along the way I change it. So we're going to start gluing this way. I'm going to start gluing in lines, in small areas. And just so you know, the pearls do come in different sizes too. They're not all the same size. So that's how I'm starting. So let me just work my way this way. Always remembering that the glue dries quickly, so you want to try to move at somewhat decent speed so that it doesn't dry, the glue doesn't dry on you. Okay guys, so this is what I have so far. I still have to work around the jar, so I am going to go ahead and keep beating this all the way around, decide on the design and how I want to go, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, look how absolutely gorgeous. I just love working with these gems, guys. Look at this. So we have, this is what I have. Like, I never know what I'm going to turn out with. I just do it, and so whatever comes out. And this is the design that I decided to, I was flowing with. I'm going to say flow, and look at it. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. So what I did was I embedded the pearls on the neck of the vase. I went a different route than that one, and then I only came down once and I looped. I thought that was different, and then I came over here and I embellished here almost like a little brooch, okay, and I left the bottom free because we're going to glue that now to the pedestal. Now remember, the pedestal is all diamonds, so the pedestal I decided to do all diamonds, gemstones. And that's what that looks like. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to glue right on top of here. And we're going to do, because this has a ridge here, so we're going to put some Fix-All adhesive glue. The Fix-All, guys, you can buy this at Dollar Tree. And we're going to use the hot glue. So that's going to need a little bit of time. But I think it's absolutely beautiful, guys. Wait till you see them paired off together. No two are alike unless I'm specifically going in with some kind of a stencil or some kind of a pattern. So since I don't have one, I just create my own as I flow with it. And I think it's absolutely beautiful. No matter what you do with pearls, as far as I'm concerned, or diamonds, it's going to come out bad. So, okay, so we're going to go here. And I'm going to put some Fix-All along the ridge of this. And then right in the center, I'm going to just put some Fix-All. And then I'm going to put some hot glue. Guys, I don't usually mix the glues like this, but I just don't want this to come apart. So I'm going to find a placement. once I find a placement I'm happy with, we're going to push down. Okay, now this is going to have to sit 24 to 48 hours because of the fix-all, but at least I can show you what the end result is going to look like. Look at this, guys. I love it. I'm absolutely loving it. And then I wanted that part there to look like a little brooch. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I don't know if the camera's doing that any justice. Alright, so let me just show you. Okay, so this is the first one that I did on my own. I was just playing with it, and this is how this one came out. I decided to go a different route and not try to match this one, only because I wanted to show you you can go any which way with it. And honestly speaking, I think I might like that one more. And that's the nice part about doing this. Like, I don't think there's any wrong way to go with this. I kind of like that loop right here, and I'm loving the brooch. So I think this one out of the two is my favorite. But you can pair them together only because they match. Like, that's why I said there's really no wrong way to go with this. So what I'm gonna do here, guys, is I'm gonna place. Let me see. This is the side that I like with this one, and then this is the side I like with this one. So I'm going to put the flowers in both so you can see them. I think this is just absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that. So I can put the same arrangement in both so that you could see how they look. This would be great as a centerpiece or mixed in with a bigger centerpiece, or just like this together on a table. You can use it really for any decor, outside, inside. I'm absolutely loving it, guys. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys. And then this pedestal over here, don't forget I mixed this one with the diamonds and the pearls. This one is all diamonds. So I just have such a ball when I do this stuff because it's very soothing for me and I love the results. So again, I hope you liked the video, guys. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. Click like, share, show the love, guys, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.